Hello everyone. Rep told a few minutes ago, I didn't even know if I was going to do this video or not. I've been averaging about 3,800 views a day, which is really good and I'm thankful for it. It's been nice to see that every morning when I come out of the garage, start my day and I check my stats. And I want to thank 99% of my viewers for watching and participating. The 1%, I laugh at you. I think it's funny. And no, I don't block you because keep watching, keep commenting. If I don't like your comment, I'll delete it. But you're still getting me views, so troll on. Never once do I claim to be a professional mechanic. Yes, I've worked in garage. I have a few years and work in other garages. I have 8 years working in my own. 5 years of that, I was registered, licensed, insured garage, and I stayed busy. Now it's a hobby. Remember, a hobby. My health is not the best. I've went through major health issues. The hobby garage is what keeps me going. It's what gets me on my feet. It's what gets me through the day. It's what brought me out of basically a wheelchair. Not quite a wheelchair, but yes, electric car, scooter, whatever you want to call it, yes. 20 years ago, I got diagnosed with emphysema, COPD. I'm still here. I have stage 2 emphysema. Approximately 4 years ago, I broke my back. The following year, I shattered my right ankle, needed surgery. I'm still here doing this. So yes, I breathe hard. No, I do not smoke. I quit smoking about 3 years ago. Yes, I should have stopped way before that, but I didn't. But I did now. I don't drink, besides occasional drink here and there. Maybe once, twice a year, I may have a couple drinks. I don't do drugs. I don't smoke weed. Would I like to smoke a bowl once in a while? Yes, but I can't because of my lungs. They won't handle it. The last time I took a hit off a joint, I gagged, choked, and almost freaking puked. So no, I don't smoke weed. But again, I do what I have to do in this garage. I help people out. I do jobs for people at a minimum cost and sometimes free, a lot of times free. If a customer's car get in here, and I do say customer because it's a client, whatever you want to do, car can come in and out of here in an hour. I don't charge them for it most of the time. You know, if they are allowed to donate, whatever. The reason why the garage is here is for me to help them out. Veterans, farmers, retired people, people down their luck. I don't help Joe Schmo down the street just because he says he doesn't have money. I'm not that person. But if I think you deserve my help, I give you my help. I don't help freeloaders. That's not who I am. Again, it's not a business. It's a hobby. I have a farm. That's my hobby. I take care of my livestock. The garages keep my vehicle up and running, the wife's vehicle up and running, my friend's vehicle's up and running, and do whatever I need to do for the farm, fabricate stuff. I take people on and bring their cars in here to help them out. I'm doing videos to show people things. My filming is not the best. I am not a photographer. I am not a whatever you want to call it. I said from day one that I hate filming, working on automotive, because it's too hard to have the camera in the right place. The other day we did one, a short of setting the bearing on the pinion without a press. I did not realize that the camera was not showing the bearing sliding down on the pinion. It was close to it, but it didn't show it. My apology. I will redo that video. One person stated, hey, the video didn't show it. Thank you. The wise ass comments, screw you. I can promise you that if you came to that door right there, you would not have that big ass balls that you think you have. And that's simple fact. I am not perfect by any means. If I do something wrong, or if you think that I should do something different, tell me. I am willing to learn. I make mistakes. But coming at me sideways is not it. It does not work that way with me. Say, hey, bud, or hey, dude, can you help try to do this, do that, or whatever? And I will gladly try to change it. But tell me that a potato basically did the recording, or dude, you're walking and you're breathing so damn hard, Jesus Christ. How are you even alive? You don't know my story, son. Don't try to know my story. You can't handle my story. But if you don't like my videos, don't watch them. That's simple. I'm not going to block you. I'll just delete your comment. I'll accept your view. That's the way I look at it. But that's not the video I wanted to do today. Thank you. I really appreciate the people. The 99%, it's probably 99.5. You guys are awesome. I do the best I can for you guys. And I am still willing to learn. Have a great day.